Hello, and welcome to the Conditional Series. The title for this video is Zero Conditional with DouglasESL. The Conditionals Introduction. There are four conditionals. They are named zero, first, second, and third. They are tenses that express general truths. What could happen, what might have happened, and what someone wishes would happen. This video is going to center on zero conditional, the next three videos on the first, second, and third conditions. The conditionals are sometimes called the if clauses or if sentences. They are written as sentences in which one half explains something which depends on the other half of the sentence. Zero conditional example. If you heat ice, it melts. The two halves of the sentence. One is the result of the condition of the other. If you heat ice, it melts. First conditional. If I win the lottery, I will buy a home. Second conditional. If I won the lottery, I would buy a home. And the third conditional. If I had won the lottery, I would have bought a home. The conditionals I thought needed some vocabulary to help, so here is your conditional vocabulary. The first word, possible, able to be done, within the power or capacity of someone or something. The next one, probable, likely to be the case or to happen, probable. And the last one, imagined, of something unreal or untrue, believed to exist or be so, imagined. There's your vocabulary words. Okay, let's start on the zero conditional. The zero conditional is used when the result of the condition is always true, such as a scientific fact. First example, if you heat ice, it melts. It's a scientific fact. It's always true. The condition, if you heat ice, your result, it melts. Example of zero conditional. Another example of zero conditional. If you freeze water, it becomes ice. If I drink too much coffee, I feel bad. And number 4, when the sun goes down, it gets cold. These are always true statements or scientific facts. This is examples of zero conditional. Here's 4 more examples of zero condition, and I've made them into a grid system starting with the if. So if I miss the train, I am late for dinner. The condition is I missed the train. The result, I am late for dinner. If I miss the train, I am late for dinner. If I am late for home, my mom gets upset. If the students do not eat, they get hungry. And lastly, if you heat ice, does it melt? With a question mark. So this one we've turned into a question form. If you heat ice, does it melt? Question form. These are all examples of zero conditional. Now it's time for our zero conditional assessment. Match the following zero conditional clauses into full sentences. And these are your 4 choices. The grass gets wet. It melts. It becomes a solid. People stop driving cars. And here are your sentence starters. If you freeze water, if the buses are on time, when you heat ice, if it rains. So you can pause the video to give you a little bit more time to match the conditional sentences. Okay, let's review the answers. If you freeze water, it becomes a solid. Zero conditional sentence. If the buses are on time, people stop driving their cars. When you heat ice, it melts. If it rains, the grass gets wet. These are all examples of the zero condition. Please like, subscribe, and share to hear more English videos in the near future. Thank you for watching DouglasESL.